So welcome to London Euston, where we finally had confirmation that we're going to get HS2 trains connecting to Old Oak here. And we can see that there is work happening. There's normally work happening here in the morning. There's lots going on site again. Still looks like the site that's being cleared. Generally, but there is things happening. The cranes are in use. The bridge is definitely in progress there, as we saw before, so hopefully that'll be finished soon. Looking over the other side, crane is in use. But yeah, there's lots going on. So the tunnels are going to be constructed between here and Old Oak. I think it was pretty much guaranteed, as we all knew anyway, because the tunnelling machines were being seen months ago now. I thought I'd come along this morning and have a look what's happening here at Euston. The main site in the distance there has long since been cleared. Bit of a fog over London this morning. It's up nice and high and out the way. And lots of interference here this morning, unfortunately. So it can't be a long flight. So the tunnels are going to be built from Old Oak down here. It'll mean things like the air vent that we've seen before that have been held will all be constructed. And it should mean a return to work for this side here in London. Lots have been demolished here, lots of prep work's been done. Not much happening, of course, here, but thought I'd come and document where we are. Keeping away from security today. That new bridge still under construction. Looks pretty much done now though, but shouldn't be too long. Looking back towards the main station site, nothing at all happening there. There's now a garden where there used to be offices. And that foggy London in the distance. Can't really even see the city this morning. Thought I might have to give this a miss on the way in. There's the main site. Very quick 5-minute video just to show what's happening here. But yeah, that is confirmed by the Labour government yesterday. Tunnelling will be happening here to here from Old Oak Common. This will be your terminus for HS2. All I've got to say is let's get cracking to the north.